Hi, my name is CGuilbert, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install the internet browser Google Chrome onto your Windows computer. We're going to use your computer's built-in internet browser, Microsoft Edge, to do so. If we come down here to this area, this is called the taskbar. Microsoft Edge should already be pinned to the taskbar, but if for some reason it's not, you can come over to this search bar here and type Edge, and it should be the first option up top. I'm going to open up Edge from the taskbar. Now, to avoid any type of ads or clicking on the wrong link, we're going to go directly to Chrome's download page. So come up to the address bar up here, type google.com/Chrome, and hit Enter. Right in the middle of the page, a blue button, Download Chrome, should appear, and click on that. So at this point, Chrome should start downloading automatically. If some time passes and it doesn't automatically download, you can click on this link, Download Chrome manually. So you should see a pop-up right here that says Chrome Setup, and you will click Open File. If you accidentally click outside of that and the box disappears, you can find it in the Downloads folder, and you do that by coming back down to the taskbar and you look for this folder icon. This is called the File Explorer. Again, if this is not here, you can come to the search bar and type File Explorer, and here it is. Anything you download from the internet typically goes into the Downloads folder, which on the side here is right here. And there it is. We're going to double click on Chrome Setup. So it's asking for permission to install it. Click yes. So when it's done, Chrome will open up automatically. And there you have it. You can close all these extra windows and even Chrome itself, and you'll find Google Chrome on your desktop.